Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys we're going to have a massive haul. I went this week, and of course I went to Primark. I have here items from H&M, Sainsbury's, and Zara. So yeah, so I always go out to film for for my content, and this one are the items that I have to buy because it's sale, and at the same time I think I need it. So let's start maybe with H&M, because this one I might return it because this trench coat is actually pretty nice. I like the color because the color that I have right now is like beige and brown, a little brown, but this one is like cream. It's pretty nice. It's just that, and the price is nice. The original price of this is 55, and I purchased it £30 only. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's just that so much long to me, so I just decided to, I think I will return it. Comment down below if I should return it or not. Oh god, it's so hard here. Yeah, like that, because it's a bit long, but here I can do it like that. It's just that it's very long, especially now it's like, like rainy. It will be so dirty, so maybe I'm thinking actually I might cut it, but now I'm thinking it's really hard. So yeah, I think I will just return it. So this is the first item in Zara, and I purchased for my son. Actually I bought already for him for the Halloween costume, but I saw this, so I'm thinking I will buy it. It's because the one that I have, I'm not so sure if it's for still fit to him, or still maybe it's still big, because I have here like, I don't know what age is that. So I just purchased this. It's just, oh my god, it's 250. Is it or no? Oh, okay, so I thought it's actually, oh, it's not that cheap. Why it's like that? I thought this is together, but this is £5 and then 250. Okay, no problem. I purchased it already. I thought when I saw it, it's £5 both already. Yeah, so this one, it's 5 to 6, and I purchased this £4 only. Yeah, this one. I have many turtlenecks here, but I still need like extra just in case, because when you're wearing white, it's so fast it become dirty, or sometimes it will change or stain or something like that. So I just buy new. Actually, there's a stain already. I didn't even use it yet. So yeah, so this is original price is £10 and £4. This one is £12, then become 5, and then the 250 is they didn't put how much. Yeah, and then that one, and I purchased for John this t-shirt, just basic t-shirt. It's just £7, because for clothes at home he likes to wear like this basic white. And I also grabbed for him in H&M this, how do you call it, jacket. Yeah, I think it's small for him, or maybe it's just enough, but it's large. So this one, like that. And the price of this is £15, but it's £28 before. By the way, this one is, I told you already, yeah, or I forgot, that I'm going to show you also Primark. I just finished these items because I need to check it. In Primark, I will not return most of the time. It's because it's very cheap already. And what else? This one is an H&M, still for John, turtleneck, because I didn't see he had turtlenecks. Yeah, and look at the price. Look at, Actually, I just purchased it because it's in the sale area. So it's 20 pound and 8 pound now. Look at, it's pretty nice. Anyway, and I grabbed also black. Oh no, this is in Zara. I black, yeah, this one. So this one is also 20 pound, but this time this is 10 pound. I don't know why, because it's just the same. Look at, yeah, it's actually because it's large. And then what else? I think I purchased white. Oh yeah, I purchased white also, because you know I'm like that. If I like something, I try to get different color. So this is just the same. Let's see how much is the price. Oh, 8 pound. Look, so from 20 pound now it's 8 pound. Just the black one is 10 pound. So just that basic. I hope it will fit to him, because or he like it, because sometimes he doesn't like when it's like see-through or something. So hopefully he like it. If he doesn't like it, anyway, here in UK we can return the item 28 days. So that's why I'm not worried, you know, to purchase, as long as the tag is still here, you didn't remove it, and at the same time you have the receipt, which is in H&M. They send the receipt to my phone, so it's like, oh no, to my email, so it's very easy. I will never lose it. The same in Zara. Oh, this is okay, this is in Zara. You know, when I like something, that's what I told you a while ago, I will buy many of that, and these are the evidence. So this skirt, actually I purchased this one already, and I use it at home. I use it at home because it's so comfy. Instead of jogger, I just use it. So this is small, and the price is 26 pound, but I just purchased it for 6 pound, so it's not so expensive, you know, to use at home. So this is the third time already, because I just use it with some tops like that. It's easy than other things. And then this one, I purchased it already, guys. The same, actually the same or almost the same. I don't know, I will check the other one that I got before, because I feel like it's almost the same. So I just grab it because it's just 10 pound. So you know, it's just inexpensive in Zara. So yeah, I don't wear jeans so much now, honestly. Oh, they have like this. Look, for the, what do you call this one? Oh my god, I forgot how you call it. Something like that. So I can put it even here. Oh yeah, look like that. For 10 pound, yeah. Okay, this one is nice. And then I grabbed this turtle neck, which is I have already and I like it. And this one is matched to my, actually my trench coat is almost like this, actually. Not so much like this, like a little bit gray. That's why it's not brown. So this is $15.99, but actually I just purchased it for 4 pound in Zara. I didn't purchase it in the shop. Online I purchased it. So every day I'm like, you know, like I'm in Zara website and I check their sale, and sometimes I didn't like any of it. Now I like something and I order it. So next time I'll show you guys, because it's not like always they have sale in the shop, yeah, but online they have. So I'm shopping there online, and then I'll just grab it in the shop. But sometimes if I really like the item, I'll pay for delivery and they will deliver it to my drop off point, something like that, and I'll get it there. So I just pay like 3 pounds, sometimes 2 pounds. So anyway, this one is the same before, but it's here 11, 12 pound, but actually I just paid it 4 pound also. Yeah, just because, you know, sometimes when I'm like I don't wash the clothes, so at least I have other clothes to wear. And this one is the same, basic, 16 pound, but I purchased it for £4. So £4 for Zara is really a bargain. So it's just easy. It can, you know, can wear it to anything. And sometimes also when I can see sell, what I do is just I keep it and then try to sell it if I cannot sell it, and then later on I need clothes, I will use it. Yeah, like this one, since this is sell and this is £30, but I just purchased it, I think £10. So I'm going to sell it because I have actually this dress. I have this dress already, so I'm going to sell it. And yeah, if nobody will buy it, if my clothes like this is like ruined or not good anymore, I'll just grab it. So I have here boxes of clothes that I will just keep it, you know, or sometimes give it to friends, family. Okay, let's go now with oh my god, with Sainsbury's, because I went also yesterday in Sainsbury's, and this is what I grabbed. Oh, just this one. I think I have more. Yeah, okay, I think I have more. Maybe it's in the car. So this is for 5 years old. No, 6 years old. I'm buying so much advance for my son because I'm afraid that maybe he has so many clothes still and I didn't check it. So I need to check his wardrobe, what clothes is lacking. So this one originally, cannot find the old price, but I purchased, no, £18. Oh god, it's £18 before, and now it's just $4.50 because it's so thick. It's good for winter. Yeah. And then this one, I always keep the hanger when I'm shopping, you know, when I can, because in Primark they let me, in Sainsbury's, Matalan, Morrisons, like that, but in Zara and in H&M they don't let. I'm not sure in River Island. So this one is half price from £7. Purchase is like $3.50. So yeah, like that. Minecraft. And then I saw one short of this, but they don't have the price, so I just didn't grab it. So I don't know if it's set supposedly or what. And then this one basic t-shirt, which is £5 only. Yeah, for John's clothes at home. Yeah, and now let's go to Zara. Primark. So, oh god, I have 3 bags. I don't know, maybe I will just do another haul, okay? Because it's like so much already. So let's just add it in the part 2, guys. Okay? Watch the part 2 for my Primark haul.